In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to your website using Hostinger's hPanel File Manager. Whether you're updating your website's content, adding new images, or uploading essential files, this process will become second nature once you follow along. Let's get started by logging into your Hostinger account. First, open up your browser and head over to hostinger.com. This is where you'll log into the hPanel, which is Hostinger's powerful control panel for managing your websites. Enter your credentials, remembering to keep your account information secure. If you've saved your login details on your browser, you can use those for quicker access. Once you're logged in, you'll see the hPanel dashboard in front of you with multiple options to navigate your website. Next, it's time to access the File Manager. In the hPanel's main menu, you'll see a section called Websites. It's usually located towards the upper section of the page. Click on it, and from there, click the Dashboard button that corresponds to the domain you're looking to manage. This will take you to the domain-specific management area. On the left sidebar, keep an eye out for the Files section. When you find it, click on File Manager. This is your central hub for managing your website's files directly. Now that you've opened the File Manager, we need to navigate to the correct folder where you'll upload your files. Typically, this is the Public HTML directory, which serves as the main content folder for your website. Public HTML is where most of your essential website files are stored, and it's generally the default location where visitor-accessible files reside. Browse through your File Manager to locate Public HTML and open it to proceed. Once you're inside the target folder, you're ready to upload your files. Look for the Upload Files button. It might be displayed as an upload icon, usually resembling an upward arrow or paper airplane. Click on that button to initiate the upload process. This will prompt a file selection window to open from your computer. In the file selection window, navigate through your computer to find the specific files or folders you wish to upload. It might be helpful to have these files prepared in a single, easily accessible location beforehand to streamline the process. Once you've selected your desired files, confirm your selection, and the upload will commence. You'll be able to see the progress directly within the File Manager, and once it finishes, your files should appear in the target directory. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to uploading files using Hostinger's hPanel File Manager. By following these steps, you'll maintain your website effortlessly, ensuring it's always up to date with the latest content you want to showcase. If you need further clarification or want to explore more features within the Hostinger platform, be sure to reach out through the comments or take a look at more of our comprehensive guides. Thanks for watching, and happy